The Gripen fighter jet is known for being fast and extremely efficient in real combat scenarios. When you see it in action, it's usually showing off sharp turns, quick climbs, and precision strike capability. Air combat, maneuvers, high G turns, and tight dogfight moves. Can operate from short roads or small airbase. Advanced fly-by-wire controls give pilots insane maneuverability. Strike and attack missions. Precision bombing with smart weapons. Anti-ship and air-to-ground missile attacks. Designed for quick hit-and-run style missions, air defense and patrol. Long-range radar detects enemy aircraft early. Carries beyond visual range missiles. Perfect for quick interception and national air defense. Why? It looks impressive in action. Lightweight delta wing design equals crazy agility. Strong engine for rapid acceleration. Modern electronic warfare systems for survivability.